everyone, I'm Tom from Sleep Foundation, and today in our test lab we have an anti-snoring mouthpiece made by Vital Sleep. In this video we'll talk a little bit about what this mouthpiece can do for you, how it works, and why we recommend it. Let's get into it. Vital Sleep has been around for about a decade, and they sell just a simple, affordable mouthpiece to address snoring, which is this. All right, so before we actually kind of get into how to fit this in your mouth and how it works, let's talk about why you might want to buy one of these things. So it's estimated that about 45% of the population snores occasionally, and about 25% of you snore regularly. So when you snore, your tongue and the tissues in your throat and your mouth become too relaxed. Now when air passes through your mouth, it creates these tiny vibrations throughout these tissues, and that creates the snoring sound, or that thing that drives your partner crazy at night.